Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and full installation video for this Wolfbox dash camera, backup camera system that I bought off Amazon. Now I bought this myself to install on my mom's car to help her out. She's up there in years and she needs a good backup camera and also want to have a dash camera, you know, just for her own safety there. So I saw this on Amazon. It was really highly reviewed, so I'm excited to get it out of the box and get it installed. So let's go ahead and get at it. Now, so here we have this mirror. I really like the mirror design because, you know, you just put it over your existing mirror and you have a full screen on this thing, pretty much almost edge to edge, with a little border around it there. Has this tape on there, but this is a USB-C type connection, which is the first mirror type that I've had that had the USB-C. I'm really excited that things are going to USB-C type. That's just a much better interface. So it comes with an SD card installed. Let's see here. This is a 32 megabyte Lexar SD card. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get the rest of the components out of the box here. So this is our power cord. So it's got it comes with a nice power cord. This here is our GPS receiver. Got a nice backup camera with a long cord on it. Feels pretty decent. User manual and our installation straps that are rubber. These will wrap around the back side of your existing car mirror, and a cleaning cloth for the lens. So there you go. That's what comes in the box. Let's jump right into the installation video and see how to put this thing in.
Okay, so I've got it all installed here, and I'm just going to talk about the installation and the camera a little bit. But first, let's go ahead and see the startup time on it. So I'm going to turn the car on, and we can watch the camera come on. There it is, right there. It's not real fast at starting up. It takes a bit. On this Buick Verano, it was pretty difficult to install. I actually ended up using my own cable right here and running it to a phone charger right here. The one that came with it, this car only has one power port, so if I use that up, I wouldn't have any way to charge my phone. So I went with a triple charger here. The red one is the one that goes up there. It goes into underneath the molding. It goes back, you know, along there and underneath the glove compartment, and then it goes up the door molding, up the door jamb seal right there. Then it comes up into this region right here, and then goes up and behind the windshield, this part up here. It goes up there, and then it comes over here. And the same thing with the rear camera, which is this right here. It follows the windshield over, down, then it goes along the door and all the way back to there, and then it goes all the way to the back. Now, I'm not going to show you that part on this car because every car you're going to do is different, and this was actually quite a difficult job. This was one of the more difficult installations because this Buick Verano is just really small and tight tolerances, but I was able to get it in. It was a unique situation on this case because my mom is handicapped and she has a handicap carrier, and so I had to install the camera up high instead of on the trunk as it normally would be. So that was a little bit different, unique situation. So anyway, how you run the cameras and all that stuff, that's going to be up to you and what model and make of car that you have, and that's just something you're going to have to figure out. All right, now I'm just going to take a little drive and get some footage and come back and show you that footage.
Oh, yeah. Come walking. It's a real pretty walk. It's a little hilly. I know. I'm just
But,
it records out the front, so I'm.
even though you have it on the back, it still records, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's recording front and back. I'm
Good.
just adjusting it where it connects.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider hitting the thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.